The financial services industry is going through big changes. Banks and other financial institutions have a growing need to provide better customer experiences, manage an ever-increasing regulatory burden, and protect customer data. All of this while fulfilling a need to lower costs in an environment of increasingly reduced margins. So let's look at some of these challenges and the top considerations for most financial institutions to successfully compete and achieve their goals. We've seen that financial services organizations have growing needs for greater insights into financial risk and performance. They need to enable financial advisors and other employees to work anywhere on almost any device, improve agility, and reduce costs. On the other side, significant cost savings opportunities are often missed due to an inefficient and aging IT infrastructure. Let me introduce you to the Value Discovery Workshop. This workshop will help you discover the business value that Microsoft Productivity Solutions can drive for your entire organization. We will look at how Microsoft can provide productivity benefits to a financial services organization with a focus on benefits by specific job roles. As an example, let's focus on Maggie, a relationship manager. Maggie wants to provide clients with more informed recommendations based on worldwide market data and trends. With Office 365 and Microsoft Power BI, Maggie can easily view historical and forecasted portfolio performance, discover insights into market behavior and data, and reference her CRM to locate clients impacted by marketing dynamics. Maggie wants to deliver better client service by taking advantage of the collective intelligence of the experts in her organization. She uses Yammer to access financial experts from across her company. Maggie can ask questions, quickly find the right answers, and get her clients the information they need. These are just a few examples of how Microsoft Productivity Solutions can help Maggie, a relationship manager at a bank, do her job better. Optimize customer profitability and turn customers into loyal advocates, and improve customer satisfaction to increase opportunities to cross-sell and upsell. Now, let us look at a summary of how Microsoft Productivity Solutions provide efficiency and customer service success benefits across the organization for different job roles. You can go deeper into the multiple scenarios of each job role and understand the business value of Office 365 and related Microsoft Productivity Solutions in detail. As next steps, please get in touch with your Microsoft contact or Microsoft partner and ask them to schedule a Value Discovery Workshop to understand how we can help meet the specific needs of your organization. Thank you.